Hey everyone, this is Jared here with Team Adventures with BG. Today I'm doing an unboxing and my first look at the ULANZI Quick 2. It's a selfie stick and a tripod. I had original GoPro and it broke recently on the tripod, so I was in the market for something new. I've been using it for like 10 years, so it lasted a long time. So getting it out of the box, you get, this is what it looks like, as well as just your standard GoPro screw. So very important if you don't have any. So taking a look at this thing, here is the connector, and I'll just put my GoPro in there already so we can see it. So you connect it, pretty standard like any of our GoPro accessories. The first thing is this has a magnetic quick release, so if you push this button and twist, this comes free. I assume that this is how you get a couple of these modules. So if you were to have like a 360 cam, as well as a GoPro, you could all quickly like place them in here and get your different types of shots. So this thing is about total, it's a little less than 12 ounces, so pretty light. This ring here is how you lock and unlock the tripod. So it's locked right now, the tripod won't open, but you just undo it, that ring, and then the tripod turns into this, right? So that's our tripod mode. So starting in the smallest mode, this is about 12 inches, and when you have it in selfie stick mode, this is about 11 and a half. It does go all the way to 55 inches in selfie stick mode, and when you have it in tripod, it goes to just under 58 inches. So it's very big, almost, well, pretty big for the weight, right? So then you can either, put it in tripod mode or not, but you just pull and extend, and this is what it looks like. So it keeps going and going and going. So this is fully extended, and I hope you can see it all, but that gives you a lot of range to look at things either away from you, or if you want to kind of emulate what a drone looks like, because drones aren't allowed all places. But when you've got 60 inches to kind of wave this thing around and do cool tricks with it, you can kind of emulate that drone. But very lightweight, it can be very compact. These legs are very wide, so it's going to help with its stability a lot, especially the lower it is, the more stable it's going to be. So if you're out hiking, backpacking, adventuring, it's going to have that wide base so you can set up this and let it go, while you do whatever it is that you want to show off on camera. So I'm looking forward to using this. I'm excited. So thanks for watching, and make sure you join me on my next adventure.